good work tips doing skirting. Now, flooring, skirting, painting. I want the other way around. So I'll get a couple of coats on first, that way I don't have to cut into skirting. I've cut all skirting, I label it up, I move it out, put my flooring in, then I work back it the other way. Now, when I'm measuring up and cutting all my skirting, I cut the whole entire room with one hit. So, looking at the room, I always do my straight ones first on that wall. I'll get an offcut, I'll hold that against the wall, and I'll measure from that offcut skirting. So, for example, 2 metres, I'll put 2 metres, and I'll put an S on for the scribe. So I know 2 metres, right side of my number, scribe. And when I come to my next piece, I'll do, say, 1500, scribe. So I'll put an S to the side, and I'll put an M to the other side for the mitre, and then so on. So this one will be, say, 1200, to the right side will be mitre, and it's a square cut, so on. So that way I know, and I'll draw a little shape of what I'm doing. So when I do look at that, I can look at it and work out from the drawing of the shape of the building, how I went about that. Good work tips, I hope it helps. One last thing, fixings. Always keep an eye on the plugs, never fix below. But in some cases, like over here, we have got wires running. Now let's just say for whatever reason that I'm not here and I mark this on the flooring. If someone does the floor and it's a colleague or someone, they might not see that and the chances are small, but they could go through it. So I'll just get a bit of masking tape, put on there after I finish and just put wire so people are completely aware that there's wires behind there. Good work tips, hope it helps.